This is Sophia from company Sanwood. Today I will introduce our temperature and humidity chambers to you. I hope you can learn more about our products from this video. Temperature and humidity chambers is one kind of the climate chambers. As its name implies, it provides a simulation of temperature and humidity change in environmental. This chamber is not like the ESS chamber has a detective effect on the sample. It's more slowly and softly. This chamber is mainly used to detect the performance of products in different environments and test the cold resistance, heat resistance, dry resistance, and wear resistance of the material. It is usually to test the qualities of the products. For example, the electronic products, electrical products, materials of the building, metals, and some cars. The temperature and humidity chambers is also divided into several types. The main difference between them is the struggle design. The first one is our standard design, which is the most common. The second one is the desktop design. This chamber is very small, you can put it on your desk. And the third one is the floor chambers. In this chamber, we install the water tank in the side or back of the chamber. So this chamber will be very lower and it's more convenient for you to move your products. The fourth one is the walk-in chambers. This design is for the big products, for example, cars. Today I will introduce our standard temperature and humidity chambers, which is the most common. The temperature range of our standard chambers is -70 to +150 degrees. And the humidity range is 20% to 98%. At the range 20 to 85 degrees, the more detailed points you can read from our diagram. The heating rate of our chamber is 3 to 5 degrees per minute, and the cooling rate is 0.7 to 1.5 degrees per minute. The temperature uniformity is ±2 degrees, and the humidity uniformity is ±3%.
The inner chamber material is made of SUS 304 stainless steel with 1.2 mm thickness. For welding structure, it's sealing very well and not easy to crack. The external material is made of cold rolled plate with 1.5 mm thickness. It has gone through brushing, polishing, painting treatment, so not easy to scratch. The insulation material is made of polyurethane film. The insulation thickness is 100 mm. The door seal adopts double silicone rubber sealing material. Sealing effect is very good. The observation window is 4 layers of tempered glass, and the size you can choose by yourself. In addition, in order to prevent glass frosting when running low temperature, we set up a heating wire with safety voltage of 24. And we set up LED lamp on the window to provide lighting for observation. Both sides of the chamber are equipped with test cable ports with diameter 100 mm. The plug material is silicone rubber, high low temperature resistance, and also could preserve heat. The air supply way is like this: air out and air return. Safety lock. The lock developed and designed by Sanwood, which adopts level principle. Push it slowly, lock tightly.
Our refrigeration system is a two-stage system. Two-stage, it means that we use 2 compressors for the cooling systems. In the process of cooling, From the 150 degrees, we open the first compressor, and when the temperature down to 17, we open the second compressor. In this way, we can not only save the energy, extend the life of the compressor, and we can also guarantee the cooling rate.
In this chamber, we use two Humidity compressors from France, famous brand Texan. The refrigerant is RO404 and R23. This is oil separator from American brand Emerson, mainly used to filter impurities in the refrigerant, prevent the pipe from being clogged by those impurities. The cooling method of this chamber is air cooling, and this is air-cooled condenser, which is customized. This is filter from Denmark brand Danfoss. This is solenoid valve, also from Danfoss, mainly used to control the flow of the refrigerant, so that we save energy. You can see that our circuit system is very neat and beautiful. Our circuit system wiring according to international standards. The layout and the color of wires are comply with international standard, and all equipped with line lumber to facilitate maintenance. All parts came from international famous brands such as Schrader from Germany, Carloch Visa from Switzerland, Mitsubishi from Japan, Rainbow from South Korea. We control the temperature and humidity through PID module. In this chamber, we use the controller Thermi 2500 from company Sanwood Tech, imported from South Korea. The controller with color touchscreen 7-inch is very convenient when we use it. The controller equipped with 4G SD card from storing data. The controller have three kinds of communication ports: RS232, RS485, and Ethernet. You can choose one of your connect to your PC and the controller, so that you can control the chamber on your PC. Minimum display resolution. Temperature is 0.01 degree. Humidity is 0.01%. Operation mode, you can choose fixing or programming. Can set program 120 groups. Each group has 90 line segments, 990 line cycle at total. And this controller has several language options: English, Korean, Russian, Chinese, and Japanese. Equipped with international power supply system, which is convenient for supplying power for testing samples. Voltage is 220 volts. Our chamber equipped with 4 pressure meters. Customer can easily to check the pressure of the compressor. On both sides of the machine, we set up some sound insulation curtain, effectively reducing the noise of the machine. According to the special requirements of customers, on the door of this chamber we designed 2 operation holes and equipped it with 2 heat-resistant gloves, so that clients can remove and operate the sample without opening the door. In addition, this chamber equipped with a 5-stage auto purifier, automatic auto system for the humidity test. According to customers' requirements, this chamber also equipped with electronic lock, so that during the test the door cannot be opened.